Ascending order. Children, here the question will come. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So let us write down the number in the chart according to the period. If we count all the digits in the number, then we got first number is of 8-digit number. Let us write down the second number, and in second number again if we count the number of digits, then it is 7-digit number. Children, here we have to write down the numbers from right side to left side so that we should not make any mistake. Now we got here again one more number of 7-digit number, and the fourth number is of 6-digit number. Now last number we got here 7-digit number. Let us decide the orders of the number. Now here 6-digit number will be the smallest number and 8-digit number will be the largest number. So smallest number will come on first place. Let us put that number on first place. Now to decide second place number, we have here 3 numbers which are having 7-digit numbers. So let us compare the first column, which is 10 lakh column, of these 3 numbers. So in this column we got 6 and 3. If we compare 6 and 3, we got 3 as the smaller number, but we are having 2 numbers which is having 3 in the starting column. That's why we will consider next column, that is lakh column. But in lakh column again we got 4 and 4 the same number. That's why we will go for 10,000 column, and in 10,000 column again we got 5 and 5. That's why we will go to 1000 column, but in 1000 column we got 6 and 8. In 6 and 8, 6 we got the smaller number, and the number which contains 6 is the second place number. So let us put that number on second place in the answer. Now to decide third place, obviously the last number will come on third place, and the remaining number which is having 7 digits will come on fourth place. Let us put on fourth place, and the largest number which will come on fifth place. I hope children this is clear to you. Thank you.